Oh, God, tell him I did reckon. Oh, God, I can do this now. I couldn't do that. Well, come here.
What is going on?
My right leg
Yeah.
is gone. It works when it wants to. So when I go get in the vehicle,
Yeah.
sometimes it drags behind me, and it's
It does it when he's walking.
it does when I'm walking. Yeah, I mean I
Sometimes.
trip when I'm walking sometimes. But it goes numb. My both legs go numb. My arms go numb. Oh, God, tell him I did reckon. Man, dude. Oh.
Just get it started.
There we go.
You can relax your arms. Yeah, that's why I don't understand how some chiropractors wear
Dress pants. And
dress pants, button-up shirt, tucked in, tight. Dude,
You work out.
I'm up, moving, jumping like, whew. That's right. Felt everything just like, brrr.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. It's from right here up.
Gotcha, so that one was mainly all neck and maybe a little bit upper back. And
Maybe.
that was about it.
If I felt it from my shoulder blades up,
Okay.
my neck. Oh!
Perfect, thank you. Catch your breath.
That one past my shoulder blades.
I figured it would.
Oh.
Take that out, there you go.
Yeah, that one went past my shoulder blades there. It's right about there.
Good. How you feeling?
Oh yeah, it's a lot better there.
Good, yeah, how's
See, I couldn't do this. I can do this now. I couldn't do that. Well, come here. I work 14, 15 hours a day.
Well, I'm glad that I got you guys in.